8 Ribbon in Maruoka, Sakai City, Fukui is known for its use of old shuttle looms that are a joy to watch and its colorful Tyrolean ribbons. Join the factory tour where you'll get a chance to operate the looms and learn the history and methods of operation. Are you a fan of everything vintage? Then you'll love watching these analog machines weave ribbons before your very eyes. Eight Ribbon runs a charming cafe next to the factory space. Inside, you can enjoy coffee and other delights while browsing the assortment of colorful ribbons. The cafe also offers workshops where you can make badges or ribbon keyrings and even earrings.